Just as with any high-performing, high-value asset, attorneys need to take care of themselves. There's some steps involved in there in order to keep up that capacity to do so. So my name is Matt Shin. I practiced law for about 12 years before becoming a psychotherapist. I'm the owner of Sidebar Counseling, which is a behavioral health practice here in Wisconsin, offering individual psychotherapy and coaching, as well as seminars, group work, and trainings for teams and broader organizations with a particular focus on the legal profession. Sure. So the very short of it is that our presentation is going to be about attorney wellness. It's unfortunately a topic that's not talked about enough. But we're going to be talking about we're going to summarize about 50 tips, tricks, thoughts, and strategies across 5 domains of functioning that will hopefully allow people to operate a bit more smoothly and recover a bit better. Odds are pretty good that everything won't resonate with everybody, but I'm pretty confident that everybody will be able to take away something helpful from it. I think a big part of the value of this session is hopefully a greater awareness of the importance of self-maintenance and the value that it has on maintaining a sustainable and satisfying practice. Because just as with any high-performing, high-value asset, attorneys need to take care of themselves. They need to practice that self-maintenance because it's not reasonable to expect yourself to be able to keep the pedal to the floor 24/7 and have everything continue to run smoothly. There's some steps involved in there in order to keep up that capacity to do so. And so the value coming out of this particular session is sometimes we are feeling a bit depleted, but we don't really know what we could be doing different. And so with these 50 different options, hopefully some of them will stand out as, oh, this is something that I could do that could help me show up better for my clients and my practice and my colleagues. Sure. I think the two that really stand out to me that I'd love to emphasize is the importance of finding meaning in your life, your work, whether in your work or in your personal life. Because there's research supporting the idea that more than just a high workload, an absence of meaning or satisfaction in your life is what predisposes an individual to burnout. And so even if you're in a position where your practicing career might not do that for you, there's support for the idea that finding that meaning and satisfaction in your personal life will move the needle, will help you get through what might otherwise be unsatisfying in other domains of your life. And the second thing I'd love to emphasize is when it comes to an individual's recovery, I'm sure we've all had weekends or vacations or breaks where we come back feeling just as depleted as we were going. But in terms of what actually moves the needle the most when it comes to an individual's ability to recover from that time off is their ability to disconnect from the work. And I know that is a particular challenge within the legal field, given client demands and the expectations of our colleagues. But there are ways to be strategic about the way we achieve that disconnection because it is of critical importance to achieve that recovery.